Okay, so our today's topic is all about multiplication and division of fraction. It's more easier than the addition and subtraction because in it we don't need to make the denominators common. Look, so here we have an example that is 3 over 5 into 7 over 2. In multiplication of fraction, we simply multiply numerator with the numerator and denominator with the denominator. So remember this, we have to multiply numerator with the numerator and denominators with the denominators. How? Let's see. So it's 3 over 5 into 7 over 2. I will simply multiply numerator with the numerator. That is 3 into 7. So 3 into 7, and the second one is denominator into denominator. 5 into 5. 5 into 2. That is equal to 21 over 10. So this is our final answer. Okay, now let's take an example with the division of fraction. How to divide fractions? So basically we have two methods to divide the fractions. One is the cross multiplication and other is the flip the fraction or swap the fraction. Okay, let's first see with the cross multiplication. So in cross multiplication, we simply multiply the numerator of the first fraction with the denominator of the second fraction. In the same way, the denominator of first fraction with the numerator of the second fraction. Like this way. 4 into 4 and 2 into 3. Let me write it here. 4 into 4 over 2 into 3, that is equal to 16 over 6. We can simplify them with the timetable of 2, that is 8 over 3, and that's the final answer. So that's basically how we do with the cross multiplication. Let's do with the swap, how to swap fraction and how to solve the division of fraction with another method. So what we basically do in second method, we can swap the second fraction. Swapping means 4 will take the position of the numerator and 3 will take the position of the denominator. This way. And look, when we swap the fractions, we have to change this division sign into multiplication. Now can you see? Very simple. So here it is exactly same to the multiplication of fraction in which we multiply numerator with the numerator and denominator with the denominator. So 4 into 4 equals to 16. 2 into 3 equals to 6. Our answer is 8 over 3. So in both cases our answer is exactly same. We can either follow this method, cross multiplication, and either follow this method. Our answer will be same in both cases. So I hope you understand.